Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another Valentine's Day project. Probably my next to last project. I have one that is going to be a little bit Valentine's, but it could really be any time. So we're not going to call that Valentine's Day project. That's going to be a little bonus project. So today is definitely a Valentine's Day card, and hopefully you guys have a Valentine in your life. My children are, of course, my Valentine. Of course, we have our little dog, too. So today's project, I'm using the Greeting Farm Cutesy Anya, and I'm using some more dollar spot Target items. So I'm using my doilies. These are the 24 count doilies. If you ever see these, make sure to pick them up. I have them in pink and I have them in white. I don't think I have it in red. I'd love to find red. Puppy hearts, the 25 count. XOXO puppy hearts. I didn't use any of these this season, so I am going to use them on this card. And then last but not least, I am using, where is it? I don't know what I did. Okay, I am using Girl Squad, Michael's paper pad, and this is the first time I ever got to use it. I didn't get to use it very much, but there are some non-Valentine's Day stuff in here, little lips and I don't know if you saw that. There's lips and donuts, martini glasses. It's very, very cute. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with my cards. I'm starting with an A2 size card, and I'm going to put down a red mat, and I've got this all ready to go because I'm still trying to use up my tape, and me and my ATG gun right now are fighting. So this just makes life a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place this down on my card. And then I've got this piece right here. So this is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. I've got that ready to go. And I do like stripes. And these stripes are nice because they've got that mint in there. Makes it look a little bit less Valentine's Day, which is kind of nice if you want something to work, all year round. Okay, so here we go. Go ahead and place that down. And then I'm going to use the back side of my striped paper, and I just cut it, I think it's 1 3/4. And then I went ahead and I used my favorite scallop punch. This is a Stampin' Up! Punch, and I do love it. I use it all the time. So I'm going to place it here. Okay, now I've got the doily, and the doily actually says love in the middle, which is super, super cute. But that's going to be my little backdrop here. And I'm only just putting tape on this part right here. And that goes down right here. Okay, now I've got my cute little Anya. I colored her in with Copic markers, and she looks very, very adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and take my foam off. These are my favorite little foam squares. Whenever I get close to running out, then I just buy them in bulk. Or if I ever go to a scrapbook store that has them, generally a local scrapbooking store will usually have these, then I'll buy like all the ones that they have because they are fairly inexpensive. I think they're usually like $2.25 or something like that. And they last a while. And let's see, I use them on everything. They're just the right height. I think that's one of the things I really like about it is they're not too fat. Just a little bit of lift. Okay, so I've got my girl there. She's super, super cute. And then to attach my hearts, so one side is gold and this can be gold or pink, and then this side is both. So I could use fabric glue, but I don't feel like getting it out right now. This glue will work just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this heart right here. And then I'm going to glue this side right here. And this is my art glitter glue. And that's going to go right there. And then when it dries, it'll be perfect. Okay. Now I've got my sentiment. I just am using the sentiment that comes with the stamp set. It says, "You're cute." I don't know why it does that. You know, I've done everything I can to stop it from jumping and trying to focus. So I don't know. People are giving me lots of suggestions and I've used them all. Okay. They do that here at the bottom. "You're cute." Isn't that adorable? So here is my card. I love how that came out with the cute little puffy hearts. So get out your Target stuff, all your goodies that you buy from Target that ends up, thinking, oh, it's only $1. And then you go through the checkout line and you spend $20 at the dollar spot. And go ahead and use it. Some fun stuff there. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.